In this video, I'll show you how to customize any theme on your WordPress site. In the first section, we will create staging, which is like creating a duplicate site and making changes to it, so that if we run into any errors, it won't affect our original site. In second section, we will customize a site using website builder called Elementor. In the third section, once we are done with the customization, we will merge it with our original site with just one click. So let's get started. Now, you must be thinking, what is website staging and why do you need it? Well, a website staging is like creating a test site where you can make changes, add customizations, run new codes, and test them without disturbing the functionality of your live site. And when you are satisfied with the changes and customization, you can merge those into your live website. And if those changes and customizations fail on your staging website, your live site will be safe and operate as it is. To create staging, I am going to use a free plugin called InstaWP. So on the WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New Plugins, and look for InstaWP. Let's install and activate it. Once the activation is complete, I'm going to refresh the page from here and then go to Installed Plugin section. I'm going to click here and it will redirect me to my InstaWP account. To create an account, open a new tab and search for InstaWP. Then click here and open the website. Select Pricing. From Pricing, choose the free plan and create a new account. Once done, go to your website dashboard and on the left, you will find a Connect option. Click on it, fill out your account details, and your account will connect with a plugin on your WordPress site. Now to create the staging, click here and you can see there are three kinds of staging. First is quick staging, which doesn't involve media files. Second is full staging, which involves everything in your website. The third is custom, where you can decide what should be included in the staging. For this tutorial, so I'm going to do a quick staging here. I'll select this and move on to the next step. Since I'm doing a quick staging, the default settings involve skipping large files, media, etc. Here you can see all the files that I have not included in the staging. And in the next part, we can see staging confirmation. Let's click here and the staging process has started. Once it's done, this will be my secondary website. So let's open it. Now let me show you how to customize this website using Elementor. So go to Plugins and search for Elementor. Here it is. Let's install and activate it. Now I want the customization that I make on this staging website to be visible on the live website. To do that, I'm going to use the sync option. The sync option will allow me to record the customization on my staging website and then I can implement those customization on the live website. To turn on sync for my staging website, on the top of the dashboard, I'm going to click on this logo and select the sync option. Then I'm going to turn on this option and you can see this red button blinking, meaning it's recording. I'm going to do the same thing on my live website as well. I'll go back to my staging website. So on my staging website, I'll go to Pages, select All Page. And for this tutorial, I'm going to customize this page. Let's open it with Elementor. This is what the About page of the website looks like. And on the left, there are widgets and features that I can add to the page. Before I move on to the next part, this is not an ad. Since the video is about website, then you should definitely try this free speed plugin called Airlift. If you put your website URL here, it will boost your website speed up to 90%. Cool, right? So try it here and let me know if you like it. First, I'm going to customize the header. So let's click here to edit the container. To add an image here, I'll remove this section. So let's select Style and click on the image option. I'm going to pick this chili image to insert in my header and drag the text widget from the left. I'll give it a heading like this. To customize it, let's go to Style section. First, I'm going to align the text in the center. Then I'll pick a color from this color box. The third option is the font type, which you can select from here. And if you want to increase the font size, just drag this. Then we have the option to add strokes to the text. So click on the box. Then you can select the density of the stroke from here and color for the strokes from this box. Next, if you want to add shadow to the text, click on this box, then pick a color from here. Then you can edit the blur density from here I'm going to keep these two options as default. Now let's add some widgets on this page. So I'm going to scroll down and drag the text widget on this container like this. I'll add the heading here and go to the style section. First I'll put the text as center aligned. Then I'll change the text color by picking a new color from this box. Afterwards, we have these three options that you can modify based on how you want to style the section. For now, I'm going to leave it as it is. Next, and from the left, I'll select image carousel widget and drag it on the container like this. From the left, I'll select the images I want to add to the carousel and make sure that each image has a title. For this, I'm using 4 images, so let's create a new gallery and insert it. Now you can play around with the settings to change the image size, and for me, I think this looks better. I'll also add a customer testimonial. So let's drag another container and select the testimonial widget from the left sidebar. Then bring the widget and place it in the container like this. Let's edit the testimony and choose an image for it like this. I'm going to do some styling here as well. First, put the heading in the middle alignment, and the rest of it, I'll keep it as it is. Now let's update the page and see how the customizations are looking. Everything looks good and customizations are running error-free, which means I can implement them on the live website as well. Here's how you can do it. Click on this red button, which we enabled at the beginning of the video. Then select the sync option, and you can see all of the customizations that I've made has this sync pending text written next to it. I'm going to select the customizations I want to integrate into the live website and select this option. It will lead you to this pop-up where you can see all the items ready to sync. So click here and the process will begin. Once done, I'll refresh the page. Now let's see how the customizations are looking. So I'll select pages from the left and I'm going to open this page, and this is how it looks. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. In this 3-minute video, I'll show you a free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.